bullshit, man.
It's real, fam.
Nah.
Look.
A cat morphing, so it's like Pokemon.
It's real. It's fun. So we talk about skinwalkers all the time.
Oh, okay,
Dog,
okay.
if this isn't a skinwalker, I don't know what to tell you. Just look.
Okay, let me see this.
No way. You see the cat, and it jumped to the air.
Okay.
Then watch the second part of the video.
Yeah, I barely got to see that. Hold up.
Jump to the air. Look. What the fuck is that?
No, that's weird.
Yo.
Wait, play it again?
Look. Ew. No. Because you see how like